Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is your Professor Nilesh Anandwani from Anandwani Biology classes. As you know that we have started the series of teaching NEET online through my YouTube channel, and in this series we have started first chapter from the NCERT, and that chapter is called The Living World, belongs to the unit number 1, the diversity in living world. Chapter is the living world, and in this chapter I have uploaded so many videos related to the small topics like what is living, binomial nomenclature, herbarium, biological museum, botanical garden, zoological park, key, systemic taxonomy, and today I am going to upload the video of a taxonomic categories, you can call it hierarchy of classification. So let's guys see what is hierarchy of classification. So as you know that every living organism is classified into a particular category. For example, pencil, pen, marker, you can say sketchboard marker, permanent marker, all these are the type of a writing tool, so they put under the category called writing tool. Same way, domain indicates which type of organisms are there. There was one scientist called as a R.H. Whitaker, who classified every living organism into almost 5 categories, and these categories were kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Monera. So these 5 categories are basically called 5 domains. Yes, kingdom either Plantae, Animalia, Fungi, Protista, and you can say Monera. So domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species, these are called as a system of classification. You can call it hierarchy of classification. I'll show you taxonomic hierarchy. Just like a species is always placed at the bottom level, you can call a species is the smallest unit of classification. Species is the smallest unit of classification. However, morphological species, biological species, and you can say genetically level species, different type of a species are given by the different scientists. I'll show you that also. So species is the smallest unit of classification which comes under a genus, and so many genus comes under the category called family. So many family comes under order, and so many order comes under class. So many class comes under the phylum, and so many phylum comes under kingdom. Likewise, this is called taxonomic hierarchy or taxonomic category. Here I'll show you one example of a China rose called as a Hibiscus rosa sinensis, and king cobra called as a Naja naja. So this is category and these are taxon. Yes, what is now category and what is meant by taxon? Category is nothing but rank or status of particular organism in a, you can say, status level. Like a kingdom is the toppest category and species is the lowest category. What is taxon? Taxon indicates it's a concrete unit of classification, and taxon word was given by H.J. Lamb, scientist. So see, kingdom, in case of a plant it's a Plantae, in case of animal it's a Animalia. Means we are talking about king cobra and Hibiscus rosa sinensis. I mean to say China rose. So kingdom in plant is Plantae, kingdom in animal is called Animalia. Division word is used for angiosperm, phylum word is used for chordata. Class, in case of plant it is Dicotyledone because it has a 2 cotyledon, and in case of taxon it's a Reptilia because they belongs to reptile category. Subclass Polypetalae, they have a many petals, and in case of taxon it's called Dipsida. Series word is Thalamiflora in plant. In case of animal, series is not used. Order, in case of plant Malveals, and in case of cobra snake Squamata. Family is Malvaceae, and in case of taxon it's a Elliptidae. Genus is a Hibiscus, and species is Naja, and genus in case of taxon is Naja. Species in plant is Rosa sinensis, where species in animal, you can say cobra, is a Naja. So scientific name of a China rose is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, and scientific name of a king cobra is a Naja Naja. So I hope so you got it, this one. If you are not got this, then I can show you this more descriptive. Species is the smallest basic unit of classification. This actually data is created by myself only, and collected from the book only, but created and typed by myself. Example of species is China rose, means Rosa sinensis, right now we discuss. Example of potato is a tuberosome. Morphological concept of a species was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Biological concept, you can call genetical level concept, was given by Charles Darwin, and modern concept of species was given by Ernst Mayr. Okay, now what is meant by genus? It is a group of closely related species. Matlab, all the species like China rose, potato are placed under this genus, like Rosa sinensis, Esculentus, Cannabinus. They place under the genus called hibiscus. As you can see here, the hibiscus is there. Okay. Now family. Family is a closely related group in which closely related genuses are present. Like it was a hibiscus, same way hibiscus, malva, sida, gypsum, which includes in the family called as a Malvaceae. Now order is a group of closely related in which Malvaceae like other families are also present. Malvaceae, Tiliaceae in order called Malveals. And subclass is a group of closely related orders like Malveals, Renals, Parietals. Example Polypetalae. And class is a group of closely related you can say subclasses such as a Polypetalae, Gamopetalae. Polypetalae means when petals are free, Gamopetalae means when petals are fused. They included under Dicotyledone. Now division, a group of related classes such as a Dicotyledone or Monocotyledone. In case of Angiosperm, when the seed get divided into two parts, it's called Dicotyledone, and when seed get divided into one part, it's called Monocotyledone. Angiosperm. Subkingdom, a group of division called as Angiosperm and Gymnosperm included under Phanerogams. Yes, which also called spermatophyte, all seeded producing plants. And this Phanerogams or spermatophyta comes under the kingdom Plantae, which includes Cryptogam such as algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and Phanerogams such as Angiosperm, Gymnosperm. So guys, this was my video related to the taxonomic category, or you can say taxonomic hierarchy of classification. This was very important point for the MCQ solving in NEET preparation. Thank you so much guys. Dear student, if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.